I am actually a Pakistani living overseas. I'm an overseas Pakistani, and I basically came to see what's going on. And I am very pleased to know that Pakistan's mineral sector is now up and running, especially with the Rekodiq project in Balochistan. I do believe that this project can put Pakistan into a very developed country, provided we play the cards right. Because I myself have worked in 6, 7 countries in mining. You know, I worked in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Canada, US, and Chile, etc. So I do the financings of mining deals, and money is needed. So tax-driven initiatives are needed. So I encourage the government to put more stress and into this field, because it has a lot of corollary businesses, and these corollary businesses are very good for the country in creating jobs. So I invite the whole world to Pakistan. Come to Pakistan, the country which is the 5th largest in the world with 250 million people now, soon to be the 4th largest, and it will beat Indonesia. So basically, we have a situation where money, expertise, and terrain is needed to make a country successful. And I think Pakistan could be the next Asian tiger economy. Thank you.